Hello everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a full or a backflip 360 on a trampoline. For those of you that don't know what a full is, here's a full or a backflip 360 from every angle on the trampoline. Alright, so there's two ways you can do a full. You can do a full a gymnast way, or you can do a full a tricker way. I don't know if you can see the difference, but there's a slight difference. But for the first thing you're going to have to learn, you're going to have to know how to do a backflip or a back tuck. Once you can do that, follow these steps. So you're going to start by looking this way, you're going to turn, and you're going to roll, and you're going to end facing the other way. So start that way, turn, roll, face the other way. Once you're able to do this, add a little bit of jump into it and land on your back and bounce back up on your feet. And punch with your arm. The punch with the arm is very vital and crucial to learning the full. Just practice punching with that arm as you turn into it. Once you're able to do that, turn and face the opposite direction you started. So start by facing the same direction and then turn, jump on your feet and then turn so you're facing the same way you started. And that is basically a full, but just rolling on the trampoline. If you are not very comfortable jumping into it, you can try rolling a little bit more into it at first until you can start jumping more into it. Now, once you have that, jump into it and really punch into it. And the punch and the tuck is what's going to help you get the momentum to do the flip and the turn. And in a little bit, I'll help you understand how to do that. So you punch and tuck and spin, and you'll get around so you face the same direction. So as you punch, right here, I stop the clip. Right here is when you want to tuck into this position. This is going to give you the momentum and the spin to complete the full. And so try this a few times. You'll probably land either on your side or on your knees. Probably on your side your first time, but this is the prime position you want to be in when you do it, punch and tuck. And you'll probably land on your side when you first start out, but eventually you'll get to your knees the more you practice. And then eventually you just got to keep on going until you land on your feet. And you've learned a full. Congratulations. So there's two ways you can do it once you've learned it. You can either do the gymnast way where you go up and tuck, or you can go over the side of your shoulder into it and spin. So here's the up and tuck, more of the gymnast way. So my form wasn't very good. This is more the tricker way where you just go over your shoulder. Either way is a full. Just more of a preference on what you want to do. I'm not into the gymnast technique very much because I'm just doing it for fun. But once you've learned that, you can learn corks or double fulls and get better at your spinning. I hope you were able to learn how to do a full by watching this video. Check out my next video where I learned how to do a full backwards by using these same techniques. It's kind of confusing. If you want to learn more about it, just watch the next video. But thanks for watching. Until then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!